start this video at nighttime. It is like 11:30. Man, I think it's 11:30. 11 o'clock, 11:30. Anyways, we had the blizzard hit. And it's time to let the dogs outside. We're gonna go ahead and start it. Look at this snow. It's already in the door. Get these lights turned on. We gotta go find the dog leash. Alright. Oh, maybe. Uh-oh. We're snowed in. Uh-oh. Oh, golly. Okay, first things first. Oh, you're coming out? Oh, you fell in the snowdrift. Poor guy. Alright, Sylvie, we're going to do you a minute. Oh, no. Diesel's deaf, so I got to... Oh, gosh, that was cold. I got to keep an eye on him. Whoa! He's like in the snow. Stay over here! Come on! Get over here. Oh, alright. After finally chasing this doofus down. Come on! Look at the satellite dish up there. I bet you ain't getting no reception. Diesel, come on! It's cold! Hey, made the light turn on. Come on, get inside. It's Sophie's turn. Sophie, come on! Come on, Sophie! Oh, oh, Sophie! Oh, hurry, girl! Hurry, go to the bathroom! Woo! You don't gotta worry about Sophie. She'll do her business and get right back up here at the door. Oh, very cold. Look at her. I'm done. I'm done. Anyways, the plans. Oh man, it's gonna steam up way too much. I gotta stay outside. I gotta stay here. Finish this outside. Okay, the plans for tomorrow are going to be sledding. Layla's never been sledding. We went and got some sleds and a makeshift harness for Diesel to pull her around in the snow. So, all right, it's really cold out here, and can't wait for tomorrow. It's gonna be fun. We'll see you then. You know the weather's bad when people are just getting stuck on the side streets. Look at this guy. He gave up. I'm gonna go try to help that guy. See if I can do anything for him. Push him, anything. I'll be right back. Well, I probably have snot running down my nose because that was cold out there. But if you look, it's not gonna focus. But there's no more car. So good deed done. And now they get to go home and be warm. So.
And you did all of this at 12:30 at night.
Okay, yes, 12:30 at night. So. But, alright, well, like I said earlier, tomorrow, sledding, see you there. It's morning time, just woke up. Alright, my gloves are in the car that's going to be snowed over. Let's check it out for the first time together. Here we go. Garage door at least opened up. That's last night's footsteps from getting that guy out. Garage door is a little frozen. All right. It's nice and cold out here. We got gloves in here. Just gotta find them. Brr. It's so cold. All right. Probably got boogers, snot, everything hanging from my nose. This is just ice. Woo! Dug out the awesome mess that the city made for me. Big old ice chunks. But all right, well, this is what we got going on here. Shoveling and freezing and snotting. The car's warming up. Blizzard of 2018. I threw salt on this ice. Listen. Makes you think of Rice Krispies. Diesel, nobody want to see your nasty bowels on the screen.
It's so deep. Oh no! Oh my gosh! Why is that? I about slipped on ice. You ready? Oh, it's like almost over my boots.
Okay, ready?
All right, hold on to your string here. Hold on to your string really tight. You got it?
Stay on.
Woo! Whoa!
Again?
Whoa. Was that pretty neat? Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. What's this called that we're doing?
Sledding.
Sledding.
Okay. We'll try it right here.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on really tight. You ready? You're gonna go fast. Ready? Hold on tight. You're gonna go fast. Wow! Ah! Was it fun? Was that fun?
Can we go with you? It might break. What are you trying to say?
Hold on to your rope.
Hold on to your rope really tight.
Here you go. Okay, you ready? Are you holding on really tight?
Oh man.
Here you go. Hold on tight, okay? Go!
There she goes.
That was a good one. Good job.
Whoa! Woohoo! Hold on, Layla.
Want it?
Sure. Woo, Layla! Did you get snowed? We made it. Was it scary? You got snow in your nose? Oh. All right. Sledding. Man, hills wear you out. That's for sure. All right, here she goes. Hold on tight. Woo!
Whoops! Oh no! You fell off. You fell off. 1, 2, 3, up! I like your overalls.
There she goes.
Whoa! Was that fun so fast? What? Oh, you're cold? Are you so cold? Okay, done.
Look at my face. Look how red it is, Layla. You see that?
I'm red.
It was from being out in the cold. Look at that windburn. Did you have fun sledding today?
Yeah. And that made me cold.
It made you cold?
Yeah.
Brr. We got all warmed up?
Yeah.
What are you doing over there?
Christmas shopping. Cyber Monday.
And I was a baby one that pacifier like Kate baby.
That was, I want a pacifier, a baby with a pacifier.
Like Kinley's.
Like Kinley's baby. Ooh, that's cool. All right. Well, we did our... He's snorting. We did our sledding today, and we helped people get unstuck last night while you were sleeping. And then... and that's what we did today. It was cold. It was a cold day. And you are wild right now.
Yeah.
All right. Well, I guess with all that being said,
Wait.
wait, what? You're gonna say?
9 video.
Say thanks for watching.
Keep watching.
Punch me in my jaw. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.